Welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to extend the ring time on a Samsung phone. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the phone app on your Samsung device. This is the app you use to make calls, and it's usually found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap to open it. Step 2. Ensure you're on the keypad screen. If you're not already there, look for the keypad option at the bottom of the screen and tap it. This is where you'll enter the code to adjust your ring time. Step 3. Type the following code, 61-32-1. This code is a special command that allows you to modify your phone's ring duration. Make sure you enter it exactly as shown, including the asterisks and numbers. Step 4. After entering the code, you'll need to add the number of seconds you want the ring time to last. For example, if you want your phone to ring for 30 seconds, type 30 right after the code. You can choose any duration that works best for you. Step 5. Once you've entered the desired number of seconds, press the # key. This completes the command and prepares it to be sent. Step 6. Finally, tap the call button to set the new ring time. Your phone will process the command, and the ring duration will be updated immediately. Step 7. If you ever want to change the ring time again, simply repeat the process. It's that easy. That's it. You've successfully extended the ring time on your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.